لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك.
Museum Biografi Nabi Muhammad menjanjikan kisah Nabi Muhammad SAW dari Mekah ke Madinah. Tersaji dalam bentuk peta lengkap, pengunjung bisa melihat rute perjalanan Nabi dan sahabatnya. Kemudian, Madinah divisualkan lewat maket rumah-rumah istri Nabi di sekitar Masjid Nabawi. Ada juga lokasi penting seperti Masjid Quba dan medan perang Uhud. Tidak hanya kisah Nabi Muhammad, museum juga menampilkan sejarah Nabi Ibrahim dan Hajar. Visual animasi memperlihatkan pembangunan Ka'bah dan munculnya air Zam-Zam. Semua narasi di museum ini bersumber dari Al-Quran, hadis, dan sejarah Islam terpercaya. Cocok menjadi destinasi edukatif dan spiritual untuk seluruh jamaah haji Indonesia.
It is narrated that the Kaaba is aligned with the frequented house. It is the well of Zamzam, a miraculous spring of water that God goes to gush forth for Hajar. May Allah be pleased with her. This is the Maqam, the standing place of Ibrahim, peace be upon him. This is Hijr al-Ismaili, situated opposite the northwest wall of the Holy Kaaba, though not directly on its side, is Al-Marwa Mound. It is between these two mountains, gathered at the onset of the Islamic call. Away from the polytheist's eyes lies the defile of Banu Hashim, which was besieged by Quraysh. May Allah be pleased with them. Here is the house of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. May Allah be pleased with him. And here is the house of
Yeah, so before we get excited and look at these, let me come back. See the three forms in the corner? There are also three forms in each corner behind you if you want to take a look at it. So the Prophet ﷺ used to rest his back on the palm tree and did al-khutbah. So he basically used the tree palm as a symbol that older the Prophet's companion figured that they should build a proper member for our Prophet ﷺ. And when the Prophet ﷺ did al-khutbah, he used to stand on the second step, and between the first and the second khutbah, he rests on the third step ﷺ. And they said when he sits, he is movable. And here at the back we have these three movable sticks. He used to rest his blessed back here. And here in this side and also on the other side, you can see these three openings. So these three openings are not just for decoration, because some scholars said that it can basically balance the member for our Prophet ﷺ, just so he cannot fall from the member. So
During that time, Mecca was a desolate, uncultivable land with the black mountains, barren valleys, and an uninhabited town. Hajar, Allah be pleased with her, followed Ibrahim, peace be upon him, trying to understand why they were to be left in this thing, following him until they reached Hadda. Repeated, "O Ibrahim, to whom are you leaving us?" She repeated that to him many times. Profound faith, peace be upon him, by a spring of a flowing water. They approached her, peace be upon him, grew up in this blessed land, and eventually married into the tribe, marking the auspicious beginning of his culminating in the birth upon him, the steadfast follower of the pure monotheistic faith, and the bearer of the banner of Tawhid.
إبراهيم أن طهر بيتي للطائفين والعاكفين.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.